Right, and a section of human rights defenders have lamented what they term as a blatant violation of fundamental human rights in the anti-finance bill protests. In their press briefing on Friday, the human rights defenders called for speedy investigations and accountability by police officers who they accuse of using excess force during the protests, which led to the death of 41 people, 361 injuries, and 674 arbitrary arrests.
The protesters and their supporters have not only been targeted on the streets, but also through clandestine abductions, enforced disappearances, incommunicado detention, and in most cases, subsequent release without being brought before the court of law.
This situation is compounded by an entrenched culture of impunity where blatant constitutional and human rights violations are rarely met with accountability or meaningful remedies for affected victims.
We further call on the Independent Policing Oversight Authority and the Director of Public Prosecutions to take the following immediate action. First, to fast-track investigations and initiate prosecutions against individuals who are liable for the unlawful use of excessive force and lethal weapons that have led to deaths, injuries, abductions, and enforced disappearances, amongst other violations and crimes.
Cease surveillance, threat, and intimidation of human rights defenders and civil society actors. 3. Provide adequate security measures to counter the infiltration of criminal elements and facilitate the exercise of the right to peaceful protest by all citizens who may wish to participate in the commemoration of Sabasaba demonstrations on Sunday, 7th July 2024.